Welcome to the Terrace, a timeless testament to grandeur and elegance, nestled in the heart of Melbourne since its completion in 1882. This majestic Italian Renaissance mansion, designed by Reed & Barnes, exudes the splendour of its era while seamlessly accommodating the demands of modern-day living with unparalleled success. The Terrace captivates from the moment you arrive, with its impressive external aesthetics and meticulously landscaped grounds, a prelude to the unforgettable spaces that lie within. From formal reception rooms to family-focused areas, every corner of this estate is imbued with character, quality, and comfort, creating an irresistible blend of old-world charm and contemporary luxury. The living/dining domain seamlessly merges modernity with sublime style, boasting oak parquetry, marble surfaces, and elite appliances. Complemented by a walk-in pantry and a cellar/wine room, this home really is an entertainer's dream. Beyond the confines of the mansion, the Terrace beckons with a romantic terrace, swimming pool, and a championship floodlit tennis court, an oasis of relaxation and recreation for the discerning homeowner. The main bedroom suite on the ground floor sets a standard of luxury, with walk-in robes and an ensuite, while upstairs 5 further bedrooms and 4 additional bathrooms await, each finished with first-class flair. Situated on a sprawling 3,500 square metre estate, the Terrace boasts a 4-car garage, substantial workshop, and a second frontage to Oxley Road, offering unparalleled convenience. The Terrace isn't just a home, it's a legacy, a sanctuary of timeless elegance and modern luxury.